There's another different video from my usual do-it-yourself stuff. As I think a lot of you may have noticed, the black and yellow boxes that are sometimes on my desk behind where I'm shooting for Wheeling Aerospace Technologies, that is actually my day job. I work for Wheeling Aerospace doing aircraft lighting. This year I got to go down to Sun and Fun, which is a big air show down in Lakeland, Florida. I ran into. This is
guys,
Jason.
how's it going?
Jason from Rebuild Rescue. So I saw his channel a couple years ago when he started working on a Cessna 401, and I got hooked on that since then. Actually talked to my boss and said, hey, can we get him some lights? We're hooking them up with some lights for that restoration. They're going to be doing,
Wait, you have to come down and help, right?
I think so. We may have to. We may have to. And it's mission flights, right? You're going to be doing mission flights?
Yeah. So we have 3 different missions that we want to run. Medical flights for veterans and for people, and then animal rescue. So that's what the 401's for.
Yeah.
It's about 85% done, maybe 75%, but I'm thinking of being positive 85% done. And we're just waiting on a couple parts yet, and wait for you to come down, stick some really cool lights in it. So
it's our pleasure to help out.
I can't wait.
Hey, thanks so much.
Awesome. Thank you. It's good meeting you guys.
Carriers to show the crew and the speed the crew. The plan is simple. Be slow hours. Yes, you have a front row seat, and the Pacific Theater has a story of this.
Well, I didn't get to shoot a whole lot. It was a lot to see, and I was running around and talking to coworkers and talking to other people as well. I got to meet Mike Goulian. You saw some of his show. We saw Jason and Joe from Rebuild Rescue. So overall, it was a fun day. It was my first time ever going to an air show. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until the next do-it-yourself video, see you later.